Oh, Cosmos! Hi, Cosmos. Welcome back to another video. We are going to the gun range, but somebody gotta be queen of everything. This is the highest scenes of Nail Match. Follow her, you can follow her. She in the DMV area. Get your nails done. Nail Match. Ain't that right, boo boo? Oh, she going to. Tired? Shoot some pum pums. She said she gonna shoot some pum pums. Layla, you wanna shoot some pum pums? She's so pressed. She's pressed. Ooh, you tired. She's trying to get this sleeve. That's not how my car sound.
I heard it last night.
It sound like this. Don't talk about my car. Where your car at? Can y'all subscribe so I can give me a new car?
If I have one, it wouldn't sound like that.
We gonna see. We gonna see. You better not hurt my girlfriend. Hey! Don't come to the hill about Chief if she tried to hurt me. How you doing, gorgeous?
Tired.
You want to shoot no ping pong?
I do.
Well, nobody told you to do what you do.
Oh, we're not gonna put that on me.
You gonna put it all on me. Don't get me copyrighted. Don't get me copyrighted. Don't tell me shut up, woman. What's wrong with you? But I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get to our destination. Okay? Okay? I'll be young. I'll be young.
English, please.
Me young. Excuse me, Mom. 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 See how she ignored me? See how...
Mommy.
Mom.
What? I said 3 times when I'm ready, I will go. Until then, I'm not going.
You see how I get treated around here? Alright, YouTube. We just got here to the gun range. You about to shoot some pum pum, some pow pows. What your gun sound like? Oh shit. Guess y'all have to see what that motherfucking gun sound like. But get out the car. Nigga. Let's go shoot these pum pums and pow pows, nigga. I'll catch up with y'all 2 seconds. Wait.
Never work.
Load that time up. That shit sound like you popping balloons. Sound like you popping balloons and shit.
Wait, give me that.
I am a little shaky. I am just a little bit too shaky.
White nails, white toes, girl, you know you bad. It's like every time you pop out, you make all these bitches mad. You got them rackets in your hand, my baby, keep on counting it. Her face beat, head did, fly as hell, she knows she got it. The brand new whip, she got it. The brand new crib, got it. New Chanel, she popped it. The bag came in, she got it. She love direct deposit. You name it, she got it. Everything, she got it. I already know that she got it. She got a whole shit trimming all the roster. What make her glad is the bags of the cash spent racks up beside her wallet. Shit, every dude on the block want holler. Ass fat, pretty fade, move prop. Little baby like cheese, Ricardo. Diamonds on her neck, they be screaming out water. Ay, baby girl, you fine, so why you worried about the ones who talking shit? Every time you pop out fly as hell, they all be throwing fits. You can pop out with your Gucci heels or switch up with your Ricks. All they boyfriends want you, baby girl, that's why they mad as shit. White nails, white toes, girl, you know you bad. It's like every time you pop out, you make all these bitches.
Alright, y'all, so we just made it back to the house. Gun range. That is what the fuck is ghetto. Ghetto. Made it back home from the gun range. I enjoyed myself. You enjoyed yourself? That's all this about. You know what I'm saying? By the way, it's getting dark. Let me turn some lights on. Get some lights on around here. Let me get some lights on around here. There we go. There we go. We got some lights. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You gonna have some? But we had a good time. We had a great time. Hopefully, y'all enjoy this footage that I got for you guys. You know what I'm saying? It is time to feed my little sunny boy. My little sunny boy. But yeah, man, so far, I appreciate what y'all have been giving me. Y'all giving me a great outcome from the work that I'm putting out for y'all. The content that y'all putting out. I appreciate all the subscriptions, all of the views, the likes, the comments, the things that y'all send to me when y'all do see me. You know, just motivate me, man. I'm motivated every day, like I said, to keep pushing and keep being positive for y'all. In spite of the things that we all go through, you know, we all need some type of comedy, some type of entertainment to watch and enjoy ourselves. But this may be the end of the vlog, this may not be the end of the vlog, but I'll pick the camera back up once we got some more content.
Hello. Hello.
There was one more thing I needed to tell you guys. That was surprising. Get your drink on. You get your drink on. We had. we get your drink on.
That's what I said. Who got a surprise?
That's probably what y'all probably thought it was too, but. Oh,
down.
Whisper it to me and let people know.
Fuck them people.
Turn that light on so you can see too. But yes, we do have a surprise road trip coming along for you guys. Road trip. I'm not gonna tell y'all the details, but I broke.
Yes. Somebody gotta give me a new nose ring tomorrow. Thanks. He broke my nose ring twice.
I did not break it. Oh!
I think they would know if it was real.
Oh! But yes, we do have a surprise road trip coming up. I'm not gonna tell y'all the details about it, but y'all just stay tuned for that vlog because that will be an epic 2-day vlog worth of content. A 2-day worth of content vlog gonna be dropping. I can't wait for that one. Now that's gonna be of next month. Next month that vlog is gonna be dropping. So I thank y'all again for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. You know what I'm saying? The views have been continuously going up. Subscriptions has just been continuously going up. Comments and everything has just been going up since I started back being active on my YouTube. So with that being said, again, I do appreciate y'all. Because it shows that y'all appreciate the hard work that I put out and the content that y'all are genuinely enjoying my content. And it shows. So I definitely appreciate y'all again. But nonetheless, this is going to wrap up the vlog. If anything does happen, I will pick up the camera. So, once again, cuzzos, love y'all. Love y'all. I catch y'all in the next video. It's vlog time.
It's the left time.
Late night grocery run. And we ain't got shit. But pretzels, peanut butter, watermelon noodles.
What a combination.
That's what the fuck we do. Watermelon noodles.
Watermelon noodles. That's some black shit.
Watermelon noodles. That's what the fuck we do.
Tell me you black without telling me
The
you
blackest
black.
thing was me going over there to get a bucket of chicken. Eating the damn watermelon. You know.
I think I would rather make it.
We gonna get some chicken and watermelon. Chicken and watermelon. I got the code for this.
Well,
It's 409.
if you have your club card,
Don't dare me. Don't you dare me. Where's watermelons?
Oh, God.
Shit. My fingers, something wrong with them. Don't talk about me.
I'm not.
Don't talk about me, woman.
I'm not. Which one?
Wait.
What's that one?
I thought ours was seeded.
weigh your watermelon.
It broke the scale.
Please touch accept weight to continue.
I swear if this should say $20.
Please touch move your watermelon to the bag.
What the fuck?
45. If you have your club card, please scan it now.
Fuck that. Fuck that watermelon. $20 for a watermelon?
Welcome. If you have your club
Yeah.
card,
$20 for a
if
fucking
you have your club card, please scan it now.
watermelon.
This about to go back.
Select item
I can
one.
grow my own watermelon for
Please
all
wait.
that.
Help is on the way.
Guess we can get some pretzel nuggets and some motherfucking.
I swear, because this ain't 219. Is this 219? I don't think it's 219. No, that's what I just bought. Oh, okay.
If you are finished scanning,
No.
please touch Finish and Pay.
Hello. Somebody come get this.
Please wait. Help is on the way.
I want nothing to do with that.
$4.99.
Which one?
That.
$4.99.
Why is the watermelon $20?
Credit 20. 45. Void successful. Please wait. Help is on the way. Please wait. Your transaction is being voided.
I got to carry it. I got to carry my steps.
Welcome. If you have your club card, please scan it now. Scan items one at a time, placing them in the bagging area after each scan.
Yeah, I got the app.
For items without barcodes, touch the quick lookup button provided there. Did you use today?
Gotta have your app, because nowadays, what the fuck? $20? $40? The fuck? For a fucking watermelon? Nah, that's
I'm about to
insane.
go grow my own watermelon.
No bush.
Guess we both ain't shit.
How many store-provided bags did you use today? Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions on the pin.
Okay, I clipped it. That's the right thing? That's not the right thing? We need them deals. Cause
Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you.
we need them deals.
Well, if you have your club card, please scan it now. Scan items one at a time, placing them in the bagging
When you
area
clipped
after
it?
each scan. For items without barcodes, touch the quick lookup button. Your card has been accepted. 4, 0. Enter your 1, 8, 99.
Yeah.
3.
My man went down to $8. I can do that. Oh, the pants when you're asking for quarter.
5,
Or
49.
better go home.
The whole total was supposed to be $20. Shit, it wasn't even supposed to be that.
Savings, 29.
Well, I would have go
How
back to
many
where it came from.
store-provided bags did your total is 13, 11.
$20.
Please
$20.
take your receipt. Thank you.
Bro, that is insane. God. Fuck y'all ration around here? Damn.
You're dumb as shit if you pay $20 for one.
My guy, thank you for that.
Welcome. If you have your club card, please scan it now. If you have your club card, please scan it now. Scan items after each scan.
Damn, my black ass cool with that shit. I'll be damn, my black ass paid $20 for one watermelon. They can get the fuck out of my face. Okay, I gotta put y'all down. Hold on. Gotta use my scruff. Gotta use my scruff. I got my scruff.
Oh boy.
But watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your fucking step, Betty. Motherfucking slides.
Nope, not that either. You ain't said that the whole time. Boy.
like safe run. Black time. We're going home. We're gonna cut this watermelon right. Cut this watermelon right. Get the fuck out of here. These motherfuckers don't know how to motherfucking park their car. They park their car all the way out this way. Give me the gun.
Can you taste one of these pretzels?
I had those pretzels before.
All right, taste it again. Late night chronicle. Whoa, whoa.
Late night watermelon. Cause I'm all alone.
Yeah, that watermelon was gonna be all alone because
It damn sure was.
$100.
I was about to say, what the fuck is
So that's
safe
an
right
old
now?
charger.
Fuck that charger.
You can't drive it.
Damn sure can't. It should take you 20 minutes to get the fuck out of the parking spot that you pulled into.
All right, here.
You got water in there? Cause pretzels and peanut butter don't go together. Good, go. Some water.
He just ate it.
That's how fast the peanut butter soak up all the shit, saliva in your mouth. Pause.
Ain't that much peanut butter in the world.
He's so fucking nasty.
Oh, you would know.
It was, right?
It sure was. About last night.
You got to catch y'all another time. The lightning got dark around here. So yeah, real quick, we just got back from the store, right? How do y'all like y'all noodles? She like hers fat and mushy. She like making hers in the microwave, so when the microwave beep at 6 minutes, however mushy they are, that's how she like them. To me, you see me like my swiggly form. Y'all see how that's nice and swiggly? It's not too fat, not too swollen, you know. I'm gonna show y'all, you know. See, some of y'all niggas, y'all don't really know how to make noodles for real. And I don't put all the vinegar, boiled egg. Sometimes I do, sometimes I do. But sometimes I like to watch my cholesterol. Cause goddamn, you know, so y'all niggas be, whew. I put boiled egg, pepper sausage, fucking chicken, lobster. Y'all turn noodles into fucking gourmet meals. TikTok and shit. Leave a little water in there. Stir them up a little bit. Now you gotta kind of move fast right here because you don't want them to, you know what I'm saying, to do what it's gonna do. Give it a nice good stir. Get them out that pot. Get them out that pot. Now take a water, add your little seasonings in there. Oh shit. Add a little seasonings, seasoning package. Now that's all I add. So you know. Say now that's not all the fuck. I add. Show y'all what I add. Show y'all what the food I be eating. Late night noodles with a. Late night noodles with a. Hey. Look, my dog know I'm about to bake some noodles. Crank up some noodles because he come in here. This fat ass come in here anytime. He smell me making some food. Nothing. I ain't talking about you, Kenzo. Garlic powder, onion powder, hot sauce. I used to add some other stuff in, but I don't have enough of that right now. Thought I did. Well, we could do what it do. Oh, ain't no biggie. I don't eat noodles like that anymore anyway. Garlic powder, onion powder, and hot sauce. That's all you really need. That's all you really need to make your noodles.
Hey, yo, Juan, you made this?
That's why some of y'all, when y'all go to the doctor, y'all cholesterol be on 1 million. Cause y'all got 1,000,000,001 ingredients.
It's like every time you pop out, you make all these bitches mad. You got them records in your hand, my baby, keep on counting it. Her face beat, head
Still got some juice.
she know she that.
And they see it and they smell it.
The brand new whip, she got it. The brand new crib, got it. New Chanel, she pop it. The bag came in, she got it. She love direct deposit. You name it, she got it. Everything, she got it. I already know that she got it. She got a whole shit.
Excuse me.
What make her glad is the bag to the
The
cash.
coffee wasn't as hot as my noodles gonna be.
Ass fat, pretty fade, move prop. No baby like G, Ricardo. Diamonds on her neck, they be screaming out water. Hey, baby girl, you fine, so why you worried about the one who's talking shit? Every time you pop out flies, hell, they all be throwing fits. You can
But okay, guys, this officially wraps up the
boyfriends
vlog.
want you, baby girl, that's why they mad as shit. Nails, white toes, girl, you know you bad. It's like every time you pop out, you make all these bitches mad. You got them records in your hand, my baby, keep on counting it. Her face beat, head did, fly as hell, she know she that.
This officially wraps up the
The brand
vlog.
new whip, she got it. The brand new crib, got it. New Chanel, she pop it. The bag came in, she got it. She love direct deposit. You name it, she got it.